Namaskar. I, Amit Kumar, welcome you all in IMD's daily weather briefing. So, if we look at past 24 hours of observed weather, then dense to very dense fog with visibility less than 50 meters was observed over Punjab, Haryana, West Uttar Pradesh, East Uttar Pradesh and West Madhya Pradesh. Then dense fog conditions with visibility between 50 meters to 199 meters, that is less than 200 meters, was observed over East Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Sub-Himalayan West Bengal, Odisha and Bihar. In addition to these dense to very dense fog conditions, cold day to severe cold day conditions was observed over isolated places over East Uttar Pradesh, Jharkhand, Bihar, and cold day conditions was observed over isolated pockets of Sub-Himalayan West Bengal, Haryana, West Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. The main highlight of today's video are the prevailing dense to very dense fog conditions over northwest India and the likelihood scenario of its spread and intensity during next 7 days, and also the cold wave conditions which are prevailing over East Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. So if we look at the synoptic systems which are prevailing today, there is a western disturbance which is roughly located along 70° east and 32° north. The subtropical westerly jet stream with core wind speeds of 135 knots are prevailing over northwest India. There is a likelihood of a fresh feeble western disturbance which may affect western Himalayan regions from 27th of December. Now, under the influence of current western disturbance, its likelihood movement towards northeastward and then a fresh WD on 27th. If we look at the 7-day warnings, then as you can see on your screen, a very dense fog warning is in effect over entire Indo-Gangetic plains for next 5 days. That is from Punjab to Bihar. All states are under very dense fog warning and hence a orange color warning is issued for them. In addition, cold day warning is issued for East Uttar Pradesh on 23rd of December and for Bihar for next 5 days, that is until 27th of December. Thereafter, fog intensity is likely to decrease as you can see in these warning maps, and dense fog is expected over Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh on 28th and 29th of December, and hence a yellow color warning is issued for it. The dense fog warning is in place over entire western Himalayan regions, that is Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand for next 5 days. Subsequently, under the influence of approaching western disturbance, the fog layer in these western Himalayan regions will dissipate. A dense fog warning remains in effect for entire northeast India for next 3 days, that is till the morning of 26th of December. Dense fog warning is also issued for Odisha for next 5 days, that is until the morning of 28th of December. Dense fog warning is also expected over north regions of Madhya Pradesh and North Jharkhand for next 2 days, that is on 24th and 25th of December. In addition to it, dense fog warning is also issued for North Rajasthan and North Chhattisgarh for today, that is valid till the morning of 24th of December. Now, if we look at the forecast of minimum temperature, then under the influence of this prevailing WD and the upcoming feeble WD, the minimum temperature is likely to fall by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius over northwest India, central India and Maharashtra in next 2 days, and after that there is no significant change. Over East India for next 24 hours there is no significant change in minimum temperature. After that the minimum temperature is likely to fall by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius in next 2 days, and then there will be no significant change. Over Gujarat, the minimum temperature is likely to fall by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius during next 3 days, and then there will be no significant change. Over the remaining parts of the country, there is no likelihood of any significant change in minimum temperature for next 7 days. Now, as we have issued dense to very dense fog warnings and cold day warnings, then on your screen you can see that what will be its impact. This is called impact based forecasting. So the impact on of dense to very dense fog is clearly on transport and aviation, power sector and human health. You can go through as you can see on your screen. Also, in addition to impacts, we are suggesting the actions which the authorities should take for transport and aviation and power sector, so that the impact of fog, dense to very dense fog and cold day can be minimized. There is a cyclonic circulation over South Tamil Nadu and adjoining Gulf of Mannar, and in association with that you can see that for next 2 days we have issued fisherman warning for Gulf of Mannar and Combrin area, and after that there are no fisherman warnings which are issued. You can join us on our Mosam website, Mosam app and various social media handles where you will be updated with latest weather information. Namaskar, Jai Hind.